Welcome back to my channel. Today is another You Picked It look. This look was picked by Samara Han. I think I said that right. I'm sorry. She gave me a voice note. I'm trying. It's not English, but Samara, I hope I said it okay. I hope you approve. And she picked this look. This is a soft girl look, and if you are not familiar, it is a particular style that you see mostly on TikTok. So this is what we're creating today. Speaking of unusual foreign names, I have never ever said my last name on YouTube, so today I'm going to tell you how to pronounce my last name. My last name is pronounced Schwanschka. That is not English, that's why it does not sound the way it looks. The S has an accent above it, which gives it a sh sound. The A has an accent below it, which gives it an on sound. And then the CZ has a sh sound. So think long, kind of, when you pronounce it, so it's Schwanschka. I married into a Polish family, and that is where that last name came from. So I myself is not Polish, but my husband and his family is. And when I say they're Polish, they legit are from Poland. He grew up there. So that's where that comes from. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so if you notice the lighting change, that is because I am competing with natural light, but we are going to go ahead and work with this. So first thing I am going to do is use this primer, and I absolutely love this primer, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so for eye primer, I am using Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Okay, so now we are doing concealer, and this is Pharaoh 5 Color Pop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer. Okay, so for foundation, I am using Wonder Beauty right here. Okay, now we're going to do eyebrows, but I'm going to use this eyeliner from OMFG. This is Rosetta. So this is a liquid or water eyeliner, so you can see it doesn't do anything here. So I'm going to put water on it, and I'm just going to use this thermal spring water and spray it a little bit to activate it. So I'm really not feeling these brows at all. I think they need to be darker, so I am going to use this raspberry filling, which is also by OMFG, another water activated eyeliner, and I'm just going to darken it up a little bit. Okay, that's gonna have to do because I don't want to spend any more time on it. That That is something. Okay, so let's move into some colors. I think I'm going to start off with this color right here. This is in my Sugar Pill palette. This is, I think this was the first one, but anyways, I'm going to use this color, and this color is called Glory. So that's a good start. I'm going to layer back in with this color here called Melody. Not quite what I was going for, so I'm going to switch palettes. I'm going to go into the OMFG Sugar and Sweets palette. I am going to use, I'm going to start off with this color right here. I think, yeah, I'm going to use that color first. Let's see if this does what I am hoping it to do. Okay, so that did do what I want. I think now I'm going to work with these two colors here, this really pink one and this kind of raspberry pink color. Okay, so I think that is good as far as that is concerned. I want, well, they don't really do blush and contour, so I think what I'm going to do is, I mean, they do blush, but it's like there. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to go back into the Sugar Pill palette and use this one and this one. Okay, so I do want a little shine on it, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is called a Dream State. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to do eyeliner, and I'm going to put hearts on my face too, and I'm going to stick with these three liquid eyeliners by OMFG. This one is the raspberry one, this one is Rosetta, and this is Vanilla Cake, and this is kind of a silver. This look, I guess, these girls don't use a lot of glitter, but it's me, so I'm using glitter. I've got this really fine loose powder. I can't remember who this was by, but it's a very shimmery thing, and I'm going to use that now. So I am happy with my glitter. I am going to use mascara. I think I'm going to use this blue mascara. So I have lashes here. This is from Yes Glitter. This is, I don't know which one this is. Anyways, I get these in my Glitz Glam boxes, so that is what I'm using. for lip color, I'm using Hank and Henry. This is shade Love You So Much. Okay, so that's a good shade. I think I want some glitter gloss. Which one do I want? I'm gonna use this one right here. This is Vintage by Jessica Lieberskid. I think that's right. I don't know the color, but that's the color I'm putting on top. Alright, so that is my finished soft girl look. I don't know how I feel about it. I think I really messed up my eyeliner, but anyways, that is the finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Did I do a good job? Samara, do you think this is good? I hope I made you happy. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts of this look down below. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe.